Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some slime videos. One of the slime is mine. Then the other 7 is my friend's because she made lots of slime. And I made a friend for me. And if you guys hear that background, it's just like these noises and stuff like that. We also have birds. And that's why they're making noise. Because it's their favorites. So yeah, so let's get started. So this is my first slime. It's not that stretchy because but it's okay. It's okay. We can add lotion and stuff like that. And this is purple. This is lavender butter slime. And then we have this one, and this is called Burnett. Burnett. It's a really nice slime. It's kind of stretchy. It's really jiggly for some reason. Like, not super, but like, it just feels weird. Then we have this one. This is called Black Crystal. Has some crystals, and it's a little small black slime. This is Ocean Fish Slime, because the little beads look like fishes, and the slime looks like the ocean, and it's a crunchy slime. And then we have this. Hey, that's my friend in the background. Then we have this really purple one. This is called Plum. It's because it looks like that's here in my plum. It's pretty stretchy. And then we have this one, which isn't that good, but they've been in the container for a long time. So, and then we have this blue butter slime, which is so pale and is horrible. It was really good when she made it. They just been in there for a long time. And then we're gonna have this one. This is Blue Monster. You can actually hear the beads. So yeah. And yeah, those are all my slimes. And let me just go fast with how stretchy. This is okay stretchy. This one's okay stretchy. This one is pretty good stretchy, except the beads fall out. And then this purple one, that's just super stretchy. She just made this one today. This Burnett. I already said this one. Oh, sorry, you guys. It's pretty stretchy. This Black Crystal is okay stretchy. So yeah, and you guys know this. And yeah, those are my friends' slides. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and sorry, I put a thumbs up for some reason. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And yeah, bye.